Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. So I just woke up. It's about to be noon. You know, it's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. So it's gonna be a short, quick video for you guys. So yes, Boost Mobile is doing a $200 Black Friday kind of deal card that you can get, and we'll get more into that. It's a gift card, but you can only get it in store. So there's certain restrictions to it, and we're gonna go over it. So thanks to bezmvno.com, you can check them out. They do have really good information. About this. Like I said, I was going to make a big slideshow about this, but you know, just Thanksgiving, you know, just spend some time with family. So super sweet and straight to the point. So Boost Mobile has launched an early Black Friday holiday shopping deals. It says one very limited time offers a $200 gift card for those that activate a line with Boost. Another featured deal is online only offer for a $9.99 Galaxy A23 5G, which is really good, and actually the phone is available for free in stores. So you can get the online deal for only $10 a month, or $10 for this phone. It's an A23 5G, which is actually a really good deal. If you go into a store, which they're trying to push people to go to the store, you can get it for free. So pretty cool. Let's talk about the Boost Mobile $200 gift card details. So it says Boost Mobile's $200 gift card offers an in-store only deal for new customers. So I do hate that Boost always does this. I mean, they are trying to attract more people, but you know, they need to do at least 150 for current customers, or 100 or something, you know. In order to claim the offer, you must either bring your own phone Boost or purchase a new or renewed phone from Boost and activate it in store. Activation must be on Boost's $50 or $60 unlimited plan. The offer is available for both new lines and those that port a number in. Customers that have multi-lines on a family plan can only claim one gift card per account. So, you know, you cannot get 4 of these $200 gift cards if you have 4 lines. Basically, if it's a family line of 4, you're only getting a $200 gift card. So, a valid email address is required to sign up and must submit a gift card redemption form. If you meet the above qualifications, you'll receive a virtual prepaid card after your 3rd monthly payment. So there's caveats. You need to stick with them for 3 months. So you need to be a new customer, you need to port your number or just get a new number. You can use your own phone or buy a phone from the store. You have to be in store. And then last thing, you have to have a valid email address, because you will get a virtual prepaid card after the 3rd month that you've been with Boost. It says that the 3rd month payment must be made by February 28th, 2023. It will take up to 6 to 8 weeks after the 3rd payment to receive the virtual gift card. Oh my God. So, Jesus. So almost 2 months. So really, you have to be with them, 5 months to get $200? I mean, they give them their money one way or another. But still, those are pretty bad requirements. I know some carriers that will give you an instant virtual prepaid card right there. So once you buy the phone, boom, you got it. But usually those are, you know, on a postpaid. So on prepaid, I do understand, guys. Prepaid, you know, they are giving you a phone for free or $200 gift card. They have to make their money somehow. But Jesus, so you have to make 3 on-time payments, and then it'll take an additional 6 to 8 weeks after the 3rd payment to even receive your virtual gift card. Good Lord. So that's quite a bit of waiting. So if you're thinking you can use that $200 promo card for, you know, for the holidays, for Christmas, think again. You're not. It's going to be way after that. You know what I mean? So this offer is available until November 28th, 2023. So not much of a deal for me, but I mean, I guess if you're going to stick with Boost, I mean, it's kind of nice to get an extra $200 gift card. So the $9.99 Samsung Galaxy A23 5G offer is online only. Of course, you can get that phone for free in store. The phone is listed at $300, but does seem to often be available at $99.99. In order to get the $99.99 deal, you'll have to pay for Boost 40 unlimited plan at the same time when you buy the phone, of course. So think about it, that's $50. After the 1st month, Boost will actually renew the unlimited plan for $25. Wow. Boost 40/25 unlimited plan includes unlimited talk, text, and 35 gigs of data available each month, up to 5 gigabytes of up to 5G data speeds before the speeds are throttled to basically nothing. The plan also comes with 12 gigs of mobile hotspot, draws from the plan's 35 gigs, which, to tell you the truth, 35 is kind of a sweet spot. And unless you're a heavy user, you're going to blow through 35. I currently have not blown through 35 gigs of data because I have Wi-Fi and stuff. But, you know, I could definitely see people blowing through 35 gigs of data. So, not bad at all. Those are the main 2 deals I wanted to tell you. Well, the main one was that $200 gift card. Like I said, there are quite a bit of requirements, and we just went over those, guys. But overall, thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, you can check out Honey. It's a free web browser. Find your best promo codes actually around this time. You can save some money. Free download on Google Chrome extension. Sign up. You save some money on it. I get a small kickback. And other deals, you can join also the channel. Everything in the description below. So check it out, guys. But we're all happy Thanksgiving from me and the family to you guys. For supporting the channel, and yeah, let me know in the comments, are you a Boost customer? Are you thinking about getting this, or what's up with it, or who do you currently have and why you stick with them? So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.